We've got a whole coordinated group for you this morning, and it follows fashion right now, and it's fun and it's in style. We start off with this white. Now this white, if you notice, is not, you can't see through it, and it's just a great underpinning. So for your tank tops and just your little shells, even as a pant liner, it has stretch in both directions. It works really, really well. And the reason I put it up is because it's going to blend with these next two fabrics. So orange, as we know, orangeade it's being called, is really popular right now. This is a very sheer, this is a cotton poly. And when you lay it over that, look, it just looks so pretty. You see the orange, but you don't see through it. So we can use these sheers and not be afraid of them. And yet we can layer them over something and not be afraid. So this one right here is a cotton poly, stretch in both directions. This is a cotton poly, it's a sheer and it's a woven. You see it's just beautiful. And they all go together with this great print. This is 100% viscose. You can see this is, they're all Italy, but that tag says Italy. You know, I tried to match the colors in there so you could really coordinate a really pretty piece. Don't be afraid to make pants out of the sheer, our new palazzo pant. You notice if you do 2 layers, you really don't see through the sheer anymore. And so you can do 2 layers and do a little top and, you know, underpinnings with this. Just really fun, really beautiful. This is 100% viscose, it's a woven, and it's pretty, all the colors. And so another of the color in here is the olive. So I did next with the olive. And this is a stretch woven. It's a cotton poly, and it's just really a nice hand for a stretch woven. It's a nice summer weight. It blends really well with this next one, which is our snake. This is 100% viscose, and you can see all the olive in there. It's just beautiful together. It's really pretty. So 100% viscose. This is a woven. Then I put this in. This was a customer request. This is a black ribbing. She's doing a bomber jacket, and so this is a stash-worthy item, you guys, because we don't have black ribbing all the time. But anyway, it's a very fine rib. It has stretch in both directions. It's 100% cotton, so it's beautiful for that exact purpose. All right, so the goal is, with all of these fabrics, happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.